How to fix Hunting Sniper download or update issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're having trouble downloading or updating Hunting Sniper on your Android, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your device you're using is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Once it is connected, the next thing you want to do is to check if you have enough storage space on your device. Go to the Settings application on your device, and then from the Settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on About Phone or About Tablet, and then on the next page, click on Storage. Now it will show you your available storage. You can also try freeing up some storage spaces. If you find this button over here, just click on that. Run the cleaner on your Android device, and this will delete some temporary files or cache data. Click on Cleanup from the bottom to clean up the unnecessary cache data, and go to your app drawer and delete any application you no longer use. Press and hold the app icon, and in the pop-up, click on the Delete or Uninstall button. Click on Uninstall to confirm and delete unnecessary application you no longer use. This will free up some storage space, and it might help with the download or update issues you might be having on your Android. If it still does not work, then the next thing you can do is to simply restart your device. Press and hold the power switch depending upon your Android model, and then click on the Restart button to restart your device. Once the device is restarted, you can again go ahead and try downloading or updating the app from your Google Play Store. Also, don't forget to check if you are running the latest Android operating system version. Go and open up the Settings app, and from the Settings menu, click on About Phone or About Tablet, and on the next page, go ahead and check if there is any updates available, and if there is, make sure to update to the latest version. Once you make sure of that, you might be able to fix the Hunting Sniper download or update issues. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.